Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video, let us see how we can prevent spam comments on our website. So as soon as you make any kind of WordPress website, you will definitely find that there are multiple comments on a regular basis on your website, on your blog posts. So in this particular video, we'll discuss 5 ways how you can prevent these spammy comments in your WordPress website. So let us get started with it. It's a simple WordPress plugin. You can get to your plugin section and add new, and you can search for Akismet. So if you look at the number of installs that it has, so it has around 5 million, more than 5 million active installations. So this is kind of a plugin that every WordPress installation in this world has. So this plugin helps you check any kind of spammy comments on your WordPress website. So as you activate your Akismet Anti-Spam account, you have to get back into your settings and then click on this particular plugin name, Akismet Anti-Spam account. And as you click on this, you will be landing on this particular page. Now this page says that you need to set up your Akismet account. Now click on this particular link, you'll be landing on this Akismet website. And from this web page, you have to create an account. I've already created my account. My account is already there. I'll just hit on add subscription. Now here is the real pain, here's the real catch. So there is a premium subscription, and for the personal it's free. So if you click on get personal, you'll find that $36 per year, it is the default amount that you need to pay. But a lot of people see this particular amount and then they leave this particular web page thinking that this particular plugin is a paid version, but it's a donation kind of plan, so you can donate as much as you want. Now here's the thing, you can also select 0 rupees per year. So as you select 0 rupees per year, you get away with the pricing, so you don't have to pay the amount. So in this case, I'm just putting up my name. So you can check or uncheck this particular 3 options as per your business type and hit continue with this account. So within a moment, it will just give you the Akismet API key. So right now I have the Akismet API key and I can just save it. So this is my key. I'll simply copy the key and put it in my web page. And yes, Akismet is now protecting your site from spam. So this is how you can just add Akismet to your website. Now it gives an option, would you like to check pending comments? Click on check pending comments and automatically it will check all the comments. So just notice over here, it's 5,000 comments right now. There are around 5,000 comments, and it includes all the spammy comments as well as the actual reader comments. So it is just the Akismet plugin is just checking out all the spammy comments. So we have simply clicked on check for spam, and after that, after a long wait, the spams have been filtered out and you'll see a message drop in your dashboard saying Akismet has checked 4832 comments and 4617 comments were caught as spam. And you can see that all these spam comments are being moved on to this particular section over here, that is spam 4802. These are the number of spam comments that have been moved from comments to spam comments. So you can visit this particular page over here and bulk delete all the spam comments from this section. So all these 4803 spam comments will be gone in a moment. Simply hit the empty spam button over here and you are done. You are good to go.